with this slide up, what we try to do is define things for your business. When I start to have discussions with you about, what it is that you're doing to project your messaging and reach your audience, you start to come up with, well, I'm on LinkedIn and I post. Is that marketing? And it is, absolutely. But the concept of marketing on LinkedIn is different than the concept of email marketing based on the format that you're going to use. You could use exactly the same audience. Okay, let's pretend like there were only the people that you know on LinkedIn, and you wanted to put a post out to them, and you were also going to send that same group an email. You would format it differently. LinkedIn only allows one hyperlink on it. Well, I shouldn't say that. It allows multiple hyperlinks, but it projects the first hyperlink that you put on the post into like a thumbnail, right? So if I pull this back up and I go to LinkedIn, I'll grab this hyperlink and I'll show you what I mean. When I go and I create this post and I drop this hyperlink, in a second it's going to come up with a little preview of it, right? Type my stuff, put enter, and then hit hyperlink, and then the preview to that link is going to come up down here. If I want to add another hyperlink in here, oh, it's not